good. Mate, thank you for coming along, thank you for supporting the helicopter, and thank you for you guys for actually looking after us on all of our Leaders Leap around the region.
Look, this is my first time I've been off the World Leaders Leap. It was a fantastic experience, but I tell you what, it's very daunting going over that wall, but it's very comforting knowing that the guys from Mines Rescue are up there, have our bums secure, so to speak, and knowing that when you're halfway down that wall that high up, that they've got your back. So thanks Mines Rescue, you've done a fantastic job once again.